In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can allow private servers inside of your own Roblox game. It really is super simple, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this works on PC or mobile, but you do have to be in the browser version of Roblox, not the app. So first, get on the browser version of Roblox by going to roblox.com/home and signing into your account. Once you are signed into your account, up at the very top, you're going to see a Create tab. Go ahead and select this, and this is going to open up create.roblox.com. Essentially, go on this left-hand sidebar, select Creations, just like so, and then find whatever experience you want to make a private server for, and open it up. And on the left hand sidebar, you're going to see a bunch more settings now. Go ahead and select settings just like so, and scroll down specifically on this tab until you see the option for audience. As you can see, it's going to be way down here. Just open it up and it's going to bring up even more pages where you're going to want to go ahead and select access settings. Once you select access settings, scroll down even more, and what you're looking for on this is the option for private servers. Tick this on just like so, and then you can either make it require Robux or just make it free. If you do require Robux, it's going to have you set a 10 Robux minimum price. In my case, I'm not going to do that, but make sure whenever you do tick this on that you do hit save changes and you'll be good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That is how you can allow private servers on your Roblox game. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.